Moin, dear Luxembourgish learners. Today I'm going to briefly explain what you need in order to take part in one of our courses, which is not a lot. I'm assuming since you're watching me on YouTube, you already have a PC and an internet connection. That's what you will need, a PC and an internet connection. And in addition, if you're joining one of our Skype courses, I recommend wearing a simple headset, very important, with a microphone included, so that you can hear very well what other people are saying, what your teacher is saying, and you can speak as well. This is a great little tool for reducing the noise for everybody else, so that everybody else can get a great class experience. And it's really simple. You just need to connect this to your PC, and when we call you on Skype for your lessons, you'll be ready with great sound quality to take part in our classes. The other option is if you're traveling and you don't want to take your laptop with you, but you know that you have Wi-Fi in the hotel to join the class. Anyway, you can just bring your tablet and potentially a smartphone, and we can call you on Skype on that as well. And even though you're traveling, you can still take part in the class. I hope you'll join us. Check out our classes at www.learnluxembourgish.com. See you soon!